In this video I will show you how I created these icons. First you have to install Figma. It is a free software. I will give the download link in description. Download the icon you want from Flat Icons. Import the downloaded icon to Figma. Add a rectangle above the icon. Now select both the icon and rectangle and click on this option Use as Mask. Make sure the rectangle is above the icon. We only have to change the color of the rectangle. Here click Gradient, and you will be on linear gradient by default. I have used radial gradient in my icons. Give colors to the gradient now. I use this website to get colors, and you can find the link to this website in the description.
Baby, you shine so bright. Promise me you'll stay right by my side.